See that door handle? We're replacing that. But first, and we have 10 mils. 10, 10, and a seat. Behind, door number 1. Little flap. It just sits in here. Popped it off. Unlock. What are you doing? Same with this. It even tells you where to put a notch in it. This guy. Careful. Hopper out. Now, 10 mil. Put in a safe spot. 10 mil. Kind of love the American stuff. Now let's pull. I just love things that just fall in your hand once you pop them out. Oh, push. Push, 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 push. I grabbed right there from the corner, as always, and just pull. Now, undo the door. I'm gonna pull this guy out. Come on. Come on, I know you'll come out. Oh, we gotta squeeze. Oh, we gotta squeeze those tabs. See those quick wings? We gotta squeeze them. And there you have it. And there you have it. And there you have it. So, I had to squeeze 2. You see? You gotta squeeze them. With, so much easier with this. Now this puppy popped right out of the door. And you squeeze. You see? And sitting on my little stool. We're gonna try to get this door handle out. How and why? Why not? Let's see how easy it is, because I'm betting you this whole contraption is all one piece. Part number? Sure. So, after 72 T20 torques, right? That's the T20. You have the handle out in your hand. See that? Well, it's all one piece, by the way. Comes as a contraption. We will see if we can find the part number or the part itself somewhere. But we get the idea. This was in the back. And the good thing was, there's a guide right there. Thank you. We want to make sure all 422 torques line up. And this puppy will just fall out in your hand. So make sure it's in a safe place, because this just snaps in, and it's also sitting in with torques. So we'll line everything back up. Snap from inside. See? One goes flying. You need both hands. So since it's American, it will take you 85 seconds to line everything up. This tab right here has to go over. Same with this one. And they sort of have to snap in. So I got to snap them in, which I don't even know why, because look how many screws hold it in place. But let's snap it in place. Told you it's 422 of them. All that for one handle. So let's put it all back. Line the stupid things up. And why? Why is this handle... I'll put it on my feet. Why is this wire so long? Like, it could literally go to the back seat. But we're gonna put the flour in along with it. Right? Pull it back and pop it back in its socket. There you go. Let's remove the flower pedal. You get the idea. Plug this guy back in, how you found it. You're gonna line everything back up and just push. See? It's all snapped back into place. Just align them all up before you smash them back together. 2 10 mils, put the covers back on, and you got this. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.